Hello everybody, my name is Tom. I'm 8 years old, and today we're going to talk about earthquakes. So here's our question for topics. Let's go in and explore our topic, earthquakes. What is an earthquake? Many of you have and asked that. It's a familiar one, but it is an easy one. The earthquake, you might know earthquakes in Turkey, earthquakes in Japan, and there was many more earthquakes. So what is earthquakes? Earthquakes is when the ground shakes. It's an earthquake. That's an earthquake. So what happens during an earthquake? So your place have been an earthquake before, yeah? Well, maybe no. Some of you may say, no, I never. Well, you might say, yes, it was really scary. And is that your home? What happens during an earthquake? The plate fall down, crash. The ground shakes, the building also shakes. The plates fall down and crash. And the things we put on, the cups on the on the on the thing that we put on fell and crashed too. The books fell. Okay? So next question. What causes earthquake and where do they happen? Good question. I never heard of that question. What causes earthquake? So I want to introduce you about the earth. The earth is not a solid ball. It has layers in it, just like cake. And it has two and it has 20 pieces of land that stick together, and they stick together make the crust of the earth. So if these crusts are called tectonic plates. These, for example, these are two plates. If they bump, boom, or slip, whoop, to each other, we don't feel. That's an earthquake. And if it slip or can bump, it can be stuck. Okay, if you don't understand me, just read the caption. 20 pieces of land put together makes the earth. If two pieces bump to each other or slide past each other, it's an earthquake. If they slide past each other, they get stuck. Why does the earth shake when there's an earthquake? Okay? If they pull more strong, the bigger the earthquake. If there's more pressure, there's thing that's called pressure. Have you ever tried to open the stuck door? You use the pressure to put it, and suddenly it's bang open and it crashed into the wall like this. Oh, it crashed. And just like that, two pieces of land pull each other, and whoa! That was scary. Whoa! I rumble again. That's an earthquake. Okay? Why do earthquakes usually happen in Japan? Because Japan is near the Pacific Ocean, also called the Ring of Fire. They call that because the Pacific Ocean is surrounded by volcanoes. And earthquakes in Japan can be caused by volcanoes. Whoa! Right? Great answer. Look, the the volcano eruption. Boom! And because when after the volcano eruption happened, wow! The earthquake started to happen. So Japan is, I think Japan is not a good place to live, but some of the people live in Japan and they still love it. Okay? So this is the end of our lesson. Bye! Today we have a very fun lesson and I will go to our next lesson for more fun facts for you guys because you guys want to learn with me. Whoa, I want to know more fun facts. So this is me. Bye. I'll bring more fun facts for you later. And bye.